Hi students, welcome to my class. I am your Max ma'am. The previous video I have taught the chapter 2 of fractions and decimals. In the chapter 2 I have taught two subdivisions, addition and subtraction. Introductions in previous video itself I have seen. No, the next we are going to see the multiplication and division. Let pass on to the introduction. First slide is multiplication of fraction. So first I have given how many square boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square box. In this square box I have divided each square box into 4 parts. So half of the parts, 1 by quarter parts I have shaded. So how many parts? You get the answer. So listen, how much will the 6 shaded part represent together? Together you know very well that you need to add. So add the quarter parts. Quarter parts you added means you get improper fraction. Then shaded parts you need to find by getting that answer. The solution is 6. How many boxes I have given? 6 box. So 6 into 1 by 4. This likewise you can multiply it, or otherwise you can shaded the parts given in the tabular column, that also you can add. These are all the two methods to add the multiplication of fraction. Can you understand, my dears? Okay dear. Then another one thing, multiplication of fractions by a whole number. Whole number represent what? You know very well, the greater number represent whole number. In that whole number having two parts. Now I have given one shape. That shape name is hexagon. Hexagon, how many sides are having? You know very well that. Let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for hexagon 6 sides are having. So 2 sides I have shaded it. How many shapes I have given? 5 shapes. So total red colored parts in hexagon is. So red color parts, how many parts I have shaded? 2 parts. Then total number of parts is 6. So 5 into 2 by 6. So you need to multiply numerator and denominator as such. Or otherwise you can cancel the number if exceed. But we can multiply it as numerator and denominator. 10 divided by 6. How will you multiply the mixed fraction by a whole number? Listen children, first I have taught the colored parts. Colored parts we have shaded how many parts, and then how many hexagons are having we have taught. The second subdivision by using whole number, mixed fraction they given. So 5 into 2 1 by 3. 2 1 by 3 represent mixed fraction. How can we convert this mixed fraction into an whole number? You know very well. Multiply with whole number and denominator. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Very good. 7 by 2. Then you can multiply numerator and denominator. 7 5s are 35. 35 by 2. This is the solution. Can you understand, my dears? Then multiplication of fraction by whole number. Whole number. I have given two girls. Two girls are reading. I am reading the question. Reena has 10 comics. Comics represent the short stories. Her friend Simran borrowed 1/5 of the comics from her. How many comics do Simran have? So of represent multiply. Why we are multiplying means the of they given in the question itself. So one number of comics that Simran has is equal to 10 into 1 by 5. She borrowed this thing 1 by 5. So you can cancel it up and down because 10 is having and also 5 is having. It can be divisible in the fifth table. So 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. So 2 into 1, the answer will get at 2. Thus this means Simran has 2 comics. How many comics? The question they given, no? That question that you need to write in the last sentence. Then The next slide, multiplication of fractions by a fraction. So I have what I have did, it is a shape of rectangle. In this shape of rectangle, I have divided into two parts. In this first part, I have shuffled the half parts into four parts. Four parts. One part represent 1 by 4 means the total 3 parts represent what? You need to multiply. So 1 by 4 of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means half. So you can multiply. Half represent multiplication. So product of numerator divided by product of denominator. So this means that you need to multiply numerator and denominator. 1 into 1, 1. Then 4 2s are 8. So totally the answer is 1 by 8. Then next, multiplication of fraction by a fraction. Two numbers. You need to multiply the fractions. You know very well the fractions having three parts: proper fraction, improper fraction and a mixed fraction. So, I am reading the question. Ryan practices calligraphy every day. Each day he writes 1/3 page. How many pages does he write in 2 or 3/4 days? Solution. First you need to write what is the question given. So one day Rayan reads 1/3 pages means 2. They given in 3/4. Given no? 2 and 3/4 represent 2 3 by 4 days. So you need to multiply 1/3 into 2 3 by 4. 2 3 by 4 represent a mixed fraction. So mixed fraction you can convert it into improper fraction. Then you can multiply the product of numerator and also the product of denominator. You get the solution of 11 by 12. Thus Rayan writes 11 by 12 pages in 2 3 by 4 days, because the question they given in a last sentence how many pages. So that pages you find it out, no? So we need to write in the last sentence. Can you understand me, students? Yes, very good. Then next, division of whole number by a fraction. Division, already I have informed you. Division they given means you need to reciprocal the second number from numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator. Okay. Now how divisions of an whole number by a fraction is performed. But you are having one coin, 1 rupee coin. Okay students, in 1 rupee coin you need to divide it into half. Half represent 2, half represent 1. So 1 divided by 1 by 2 is equal to 2. How it forms it 2? You need to reciprocal the second number. 1 by 2 represent 2 by 1. So 1 into 2 the answer get 2. Likewise they have been solved. So 2 by 1 is the reciprocal of 1 by 2. That's all, you get the solution. Very good students, you are observing me properly. Then division of fractions by whole number. Whole number represent the number need to exist in a whole property. I am reading the question. If a color paper of length 10 centimeter is divided into smaller strips of length 2/5 centimeters each, how many such strips do we get? You know very well, you are having the color paper in your art and craft book, no? Just take it out and measure that length. That length represent 10 centimeter. Okay students? Then you need to plot it. The question given, no? Reciprocal of 2 by 5. Why we are reciprocaling the given number? Because of the length for one piece represent 10 centimeter means the total piece that you need to divide, no? So the smaller reciprocal number 2 by 5 represent 5 by 2. So number of strip in abstract having, no? Strip, how many strips are having in abstract? One strip represent 2 by 5 means how many strips they given? Yes, very good. That represent 5 strips. So you can reciprocal it 2 by 5 into 5 by 2. So 10 divided by 2 by 5. Already we have written in the question itself, no? So divide represent the reciprocal of the second number. Multiply into 5 by 2. Then you can cancel because of in abstract numerator having 10 and denominator having 2, you can cancel it into 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. So 5 5s are What is the solution? 25. Likewise also you can cancel it and write the answer, or otherwise you can multiply the product of numerator and the product of denominator. So I need to know that 10 alone they have been given. So 10 represent what? Very good. 10 represent numerator. Numerator. So denominator they given a? No. So we need to assemblance what? Very good. By 1. Very good, students. Then next, division of fractions by a whole number. What will be 1 and 3/4? Divide by 7. Okay. So divide by 7, you know very well the second number that you need to reciprocal it. Solution 1 3 by 5 is equal to, what is the solution? You can multiply 1 5 is 5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 by 5. Then divide by 7. Divide by 7, you need to reciprocal the second number, no. So 7 by 1, it is reciprocal as 1 by 7. Then you can multiply product of numerator divided by product of denominator. So 8 by 35, that is the solution. The next slide, division of quantities. Quantities represent what? What is the meaning of quantities? Very good. Quantities represent the number of set of any object or any fruits or anything else that represent quantities. Okay. I have plotted the two members, Shia and Pia. Two friends, Shia 36 inches in height and Pia 48 inches in height, pluck 7 ripe mangoes from a mango tree. They picked the mango. They decided to share the mangoes in the ratio of their height in inches. So how can you find Shia? How can you? Shia shares in mangoes. How many mangoes she can share? 3 by 7. How it forms? The total number of mangoes. How many mangoes are having? Very good. 7 mangoes. So 7 mangoes she sharing is 3. So you can cancel the numerator and denominator of 7. You get the solution of 3. Then Pia's share in mangoes. How many mangoes are Pia is sharing? 4. So total number of mangoes is 7. Then you can cancel it in numerator and denominator. You get the solution of 4. Very good, students. You are all listening now? Okay. Then next, the division of quantities. So I have given in a amount. Okay, values according to the ratios. 2 person. Previous video I have given us 2 girls. In this 2 person, 2 brothers, Devjot and Premjot buy a lottery ticket for rupees 100. For rupees 100 they buy a lottery ticket. Devjot pay rupees 60 and Premjot pay rupees 40. They decided to share the lottery money in the same ratio. This is very easy to find the answer, no? Very good, very good. They win a lottery of 1 lakh. How much should each brother get? It is very easy because of one boy given 60 rupees and another one boy given 40 rupees means you can find in the fraction itself. So 1 lakh they need to share it. So Devjot's share in the lottery money is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5. So how can we find this 3 by 5? You can cancel 60 by 100 and also 40 by 100. You get the solution of 3 by 5 into 1 lakh. You get the solution of 60,000. Then Premjot shares in a lottery money 2 by 5. Already informed you Premjot the amount is 40. Very good. 40 divided by 100. You get the solution of the fraction of 2 by 5 into 1 lakh. You get the solution of 40. This is easy to know by using this creativity. Can you understand me, students? Very good. Then next, summary. What is the summary? I have taught from 4 types, no? Additions, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, students? Let us summarize what we have learned. We need to analyze our lessons. Okay, fractions are of 3 types. I already informed now. Proper, improper and mixed fraction. Proper fraction, the numerator is less. Very good, very good. The fraction where the numerator is greater, than the denominator are called improper fraction. That the thing they given in this summary. An improper fraction can be written as a combination of whole and a part, and such a fraction then called as mixed fractions. Very good. These are all the three types. These are all the most important points that you need to reglance in this video. Okay students, I've lost the question for the next video. What is meant by proper and what is meant by improper and what is meant by mixed fraction. Okay students, can you understand me? Yeah, okay, very good. Then in this session we have done enough fractions, but we need to know the decimal. No, in previous class itself I have given a place value chart. Very good. That same place value chart I have drawn here. Point before ones, tens, hundreds, 1000. 1000 represent 1000. 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. Okay students. Then point after tens, hundreds, thousands. So point after you need to write in a fraction. Point before you can multiply the number with ones, tens, hundred, normal place value chart. Okay, can you understand me students? Very good. Okay students, I have given a PDF file of the previous worksheet of 4. Just revise and go through it and verify the answers and plot this mark above, sign yourself. I have already informed you. Just corrected, you have written in a correct format means you need to given a mark of 10. If any one thing mistake means you can reduce as -1. Okay students, I hope you are all be written in a correct format. I think so. Have you all revised the video? Can you understand me? Okay students, thank you students.